Hey guys, so this video is a little bit graphic, so viewer discretion is advised. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I just wanted to show you guys this video because it shows how important it is on knowing how to sport and lead belay properly. I asked this couple if it was alright if I could film them, just so I could be able to show you guys and you guys could learn from what can happen if you aren't properly trained on how to lead belay. I'll just show you guys the videos and then I'll go into basically what happened and what me, Caleb, and Finn did to help these guys out. Bryce and
Danielle.
Bryce took a bad fall. Got a broken ankle. We just helped him out.
Yeah, I climbed up there, got his quick draws, helped him down.
Yeah.
We're good now.
But dude, you're doing good, honestly. Like.
Oh yeah. I'm alive. I'm well. I'm breathing. You got some of that Gatorade in you, so you don't feel like you're gonna throw up.
Like the adrenaline's starting to wear off though, so that's like real great right now.
Nah, you're gonna get some drugs right now. Doing good. All right, give me a fist bump.
I can't reach that far, bro.
Invite us to his wedding.
No, they lowered me down from there.
Took a big fall from up there, man. Crazy. So basically, me, Finn, and Caleb were climbing. We'd been climbing for, I don't know, maybe 4 hours or so. I have another video. You guys can check it out. I'll put a link in the description. And basically, we've been climbing on this other face of the quarry. There's like the big main face, and then there's this other face on the side that we'd been climbing on for a while. So we came back around to the main face, and we were looking around at climbs. We weren't really sure what we wanted to do. And we were walking up to the main face, and Caleb and I saw it, but Finn didn't. But we were looking up at the face, and there was a guy climbing there. You know, I was just watching him, just because it's fun to watch people climb. And I'm watching him, and I see him fall. And you know, falling and climbing is totally normal, but he fell pretty far and didn't stop. And that's when, you know, I realized, oh shoot, something's about to happen. Sure enough, he landed on, basically, the wall was like this, right? So the wall's here, but then there's like a little part like this right here, and then it went up. So he was up here, and he had fallen and landed here because there was so much slack in the rope. So basically, he fell a good 20 feet, if not more, right onto that part and broke his ankle. And, you know, the girlfriend felt really bad. She was upset. You know, and that just goes to show that you guys need to know how to properly lead belay if you want to, you know, go outdoors or just lead climb in general. Because, you know, if you give your climber too much slack in the rope, they can take a really big fall and a dangerous fall like we witnessed. So yeah, so basically then what ended up happening was me and Caleb ran up to him. We kind of like traversed up. I'll show you guys a photo so you can see kind of what how we kind of climbed up and helped him out. So basically, he had landed in a crevice, and Caleb picked him up, set him down on like a flat ledge, kind of. You know, we checked him out, made sure he was okay. Meanwhile, Finn went and took the belay device from this girl, and he basically tied himself in, and then he was on belay now. So then I ran back down, and then Caleb got this guy on the edge of the rock, so he could kind of sit him down, and then Finn was going to slowly lower him while he had his back against the rock, so he would almost like just slowly slide him down. So I ran down. By the time he was almost at the bottom, I kind of had to pick him up and get him in like a better sitting position so he could sit down. So the girlfriend had already called 911. So then we were just kind of chilling with him. He surprisingly took it super well. He, you know, the adrenaline was definitely kicked in because he was totally fine. By the time the paramedics got there, he says pain level was like a 6. The adrenaline was starting to wear off. But, yeah, so we got him down safely. We got their pack all packed up, and then we hung out with them until the EMTs got there. And then we helped carry him on like a little backboard onto a stretcher, and then they took him into the ambulance. And then, yeah, And then so we packed up their backpack, and then I walked the girl back to her car with this big backpack, and you know, they were really grateful that we had helped them out. But really, that's just a great lesson on why it is so important to know what you're doing when you're climbing. You know, if you're not sure about something, don't risk it, because you can really have a big injury that's easily preventable, like something like that. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick little video. I hope you guys liked it. Just, you know, be safe out there, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, see you guys.